Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, we continue the series, creating an FAQs page. This is the page I'd like to create today. It contains questions and answers that are saved in the custom fields of MetaBox. They will be displayed in the accordion style like this. And this page is built by Oxygen. In addition, this page also has added schema for the FAQs. This feature and the accordion style are provided by the Oxy Extras. I have MetaBox here. To have UI on the back end to easily create custom fields, I will use MetaBox Builder. You can install it individually or use the MetaBox AIO. As I said, I will build the page with Oxygen and Oxy Extras. In case you don't have the Oxy Extras, you can still build the page with Oxygen and create schema with other plugins, for example, Slim CO schema. Now, let's start it. Go to MetaBox and create a new page. After publishing, you can see a new page named FAQ appear here. I will add some custom fields to the page like this. This is a group that includes two subfields inside for question and answer. Also, I have the Add More button here to add more than one couple of questions and answers. Let's create them now. First, add a group field. Then, add subfields for it. I set this group as collapsible to compact the information. Without the collapsible feature, the fields will be displayed like this. Next, name the group title. Here I use some variables. This variable is for numbering the questions. And the second one is to display the content of that question. This is the ID of the question field. Naming like this will help you identify the set of Q&A questions more easily. Finally, remember to set this group as clonable to have the Add More button. That's all the custom fields we need. Now, open the Settings tab, choose the location as post type, then choose Page here. To display the group field on the wanted page, you need to add rules in the Advanced Location Rules section like this. Choose the FAQ here. Back on the FAQ page, you will see the fields displayed. You can also click Add More to add other pairs. Now, let's fill in the Q&As. Create a template with Oxygen. Choose the inactive default page to inherit its style, and choose to apply this template for pages. Back to the FAQ page editor. The template of this page is still the default one. Let's change it to the newly created template. Then edit the page with Oxygen. First, select the section component to contain all of the FAQ information. Then, add a Pro accordion component. This component will only be available when you have Oxy Extras on your site. Since I used MetaBox custom fields to save the FAQs information, I set the accordion type like this. Then, go to the Dynamic Data section and input parameters into these boxes. The group we used in this tutorial is clonable, so add the ID of the group into this box. The question will be the header text, so I add the ID of the question field here. And the content of the accordion will be used for the answer, so add the ID of the answer field here. After applying the parameters, you will see all the questions and answers displayed. Normally, to have a better score for CO, the FAQs page should be added a schema markup. Oxy Extras supports the FAQ schema feature. Just go to the Advanced section to enable the FAQ schema markup. As I said at the beginning of this tutorial, if you haven't had the Oxy extras, you can try the Slim CO schema to have the FAQ schema. That's all. Then, on the front end, you will see the questions and answers display like this. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more videos. Bye.